What's up guys, Bingo here, and today we have unboxing for Audio Technica ATH M50X, which is a professional monitor headphones. And this is one of the most popular studio headphones from Audio Technica. I think this was first released about 10 years ago. And after all the research, all the Reddit uh, threads that I've read, I just went with the classic. I know there's people out there going to say like, "Oh, you should have gotten this. This is so much better uh, alternative headphones," but I just went with this because it's iconic. It's Audio Technica, which I've always wanted to have an Audio Technica headphones. And yeah, let's see what we got here. So I bought this from Amazon for about 250 Australian dollars, which I probably could have saved with sales and stuff, but I needed a headphone soon. So it just opens like that. We are greeted with a locking cable and some paperwork in Japanese, some in English. Oh yeah, here's instructions in English. So apparently this one is supposed to include 3 cables. Let's have much. There we go. And it goes like, let's pull it off. Then some cardboard, and that's it. That's all you get from the box. Quite a pretty hefty box, to be honest. Got headphones here and some accessories. Let's see what we got. So we got this fake leather. I had to smell it first. I'm pretty sure it's fake or synthetic leather, but we get, it's pretty nice to get some 3 cables, and the headphones itself, which is just an individual plastic per cuff, muff, and right off the bat, I would say it's pretty light, and the clamping force feels tight. I'm hoping that would loosen up a bit in like the future. And we got right, left here. I think this is supposed to swivels. Yeah, there we go. It's and I think that's the most it can bend. Just the headbands on the Technica branding, and I saw a picture like it, these things are like, oh, I think that's the most it could, like if you want to carry it around. So with the cable we got, I'm not too good with the specifics. Mic, I don't know the numbers, the exact numbers, but small audio jack into like the big one, like the ones on a guitar. I wonder if I could connect this straight to my guitar. So the purpose of this headset is actually for listening to music and to play on my guitar as well. Got a 3.5, I think. Man, I'm bad at this. I'm terrible at this unboxing. So 3.0, and I think this is the 1. No. This is about the length of the cord. There's a 6.3 millimeter plug adapter. Anyway, I think this is the usual 3.5. We got a coiled one, and I think this one is the longer. These two are quite similar, but this one is a bit longer. I think this is the smaller one goes straight to the headphones, and the 3.5 wherever you want it. So let's try and give this headphones. It's supposed to be a locking mechanism. Yeah, it like locks in place. Okay, it feels quite weird. You feel like you're gonna sort of break the whole thing, but let's have a listen to a song here. Got our old phone with 3.5 millimeter of I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's at max volume. Okay, stop before any copyright claims. But yeah, let me try and put on the headphones quickly. I would say they're quite comfortable. The clamping force, they're pretty light. I think this is about 250 grams. I'm gonna give this a go, and the clamping force is pretty tight for now. Hopefully it will loosen up for a bit, and I'll let you guys know what I think about this. As an average listener, I'm not really much of an audiophile. I'm gonna try this for gaming and music and guitar as well. All right, and yeah, let's actually test how we would be traveling with it out of here. So you can slide that in. It's a drawstring type, and that's it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll let you guys know more about this headphones in the future. So yeah, please like, subscribe, comment down below what other headphones I should try aside from these. Yeah, give me your recommendations. Bye bye.